Hello and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, April 28th. It is a Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, click async. You have two activities. You have activity in Mel, part 3 in superlatives, adjectives, and adverbs, the third one, and comparative adjectives and adverbs, the third activity. Okay. Your next activity is Nearpod and contrast. So as always, you guys know how to do Nearpod, but I'll walk through it. You will read and take notes on comparing and contrast. Then you have a quiz. Remember to answer the questions. Then you'll read and take notes, read and take more notes. You will play a time to climb, answer a question. Okay, using comparison. I love to go to the gym to exercise similarly. So this is actually a very good exercise that you will need to use when you are writing your essay. So I'm afraid of flying. However, complete the sentence. Same here. You complete with the contrast. Unlike my mother who plays piano, I blah, blah, blah. And you will type your answers here. The full sentence. In each one of those, you will type the full sentence here in the box and click submit. And that's it. And that's it for today. Good luck.